But I don't get the things I want in this relationship.
I give you everything. I provided everything.
You don't make noise in bed.
Come to bed. I want to make noise for you. In bed.
Ooh, now you're talking.
Hello guys, Mackenzie comedy might not be trending as usual, but he is still one of the funniest comedians in Nigeria. Let's just watch this video and guess what you think.
Please don't go. Please.
Madam, don't go now.
But I don't get the things I want in this relationship.
Okay.
But I give you everything. I give you everything you ask of me.
Man, can I
everything you ever ask of me, I've provided. Please don't leave me like that.
No, Mark, I'm leaving.
Please. Why don't I give to you? Why don't I provide for you? I give you everything. I provided everything. Everything you've ever asked of me, I've provided for you.
You don't.
I don't. Tell me what it is.
Madam,
Tell me anything.
You don't make noise in bed.
But you don't. You never.
Problem. So that is the only problem.
Sorry. I promise. From this day, I'll make noise in bed. I'll make any wavelength of noise you want.
Okay.
Please.
It's making promises. Now, it's time to fulfill your promise.
Come to bed. I want to make noise for you. In bed.
Ooh, now you're talking.
Okay. Daughter soft. Man, don't go kill yourself, so don't go and kill yourself. Do what you can do and leave the rest for God.